and welcome, viewers. On this Friday, the 9th of July, how are you all this evening? It's great to see you once again, and let me start with some pictures tonight, because I truly believe pictures tell the story the best. Pictures describe this best. You've probably seen this. These, viewers, are pictures from the Kempty Falls near Mussoorie. Look at that. Just look at that. This viral video. Let's go back to the pictures. Just look at that. This viral videos has everyone across the country commenting on it. Maskless tourists, all doing one thing which they feel is their absolute right. They are all holidaying with a vengeance. I really need to add no description here, viewers. And that is because this is not just one spot. In fact, across India, everywhere today, everywhere. This is the reality. You probably look at these pictures and say, what's the big deal? There are so many such crowds somewhere close to where I live. You're probably right. This is not one spot. Across India, this is the reality. It's the reality in markets. It's the reality on the street. It's the reality in public places, in places of worship, everywhere. The crowds are back with a vengeance. It's as if the people have decided to take revenge on the lockdown. Masks are off. Crowds are back, and how? COVID appropriate behavior, forget it. It's something to be frowned on, looked down on, to be made fun of. I call this the great national daredevil. And let me tell you, we are going to pay a price for this. These irresponsible COVID daredevils, they will be responsible, viewers, if there is a third wave. They will be responsible if the cases come back. Don't forget April and May. Tell everyone you meet, don't forget April. Don't forget May. Don't forget what we went through. And these COVIDiots will be responsible if, starting with some pockets and some clusters where you live, the virus gets a third innings. Try and find out, viewers. You might already find out. You might hear that somewhere close to you, there's a few COVID cases which have come up. Ask. Everything's not always in reported statistics. Ask anecdotally whether some cases are coming back, and remember, that's how it starts. These COVIDiots, many of these COVIDiots probably give a damn about a third wave because they'll say, how does it matter to us? We've been vaccinated. Nothing's going to happen to us. And maybe some of them have had COVID, so they have some short-term immunity. But remember this, viewers, they can all be spreaders of the disease. They probably are. This group is putting you at risk. So look at those pictures, and I think it's time that you do something about it. And one more thing. If there is a third wave, these are the same people who will blame Modi. Same people. They will blame Modi having broken every rule themselves, having done their best to bring COVID back. They will immediately go to their social media accounts and put wisecrack comments on how Prime Minister Narendra Modi has let them down and failed to stop yet another wave. They will all blame Modi. That's what these COVIDiots will do. As the government works at breakneck speed to speed vaccination, these are the hypocrites. I don't want to use stronger language, actually. I'm restraining myself. These are the hypocrites who will not even allow the vaccination to reach 40% of India, 50% of India before beginning to behave like that. And then when the third wave happens, they will all begin their attack on Prime Minister Modi, while right now, all they are doing is attacking the efforts of the entire medical fraternity of India. These are thankless, hypocritical COVIDiots. These are actually not daredevils. And some of these hypocrites may be watching this live tonight, or they may be watching a deferred video of what I am saying right now. To them, I am appealing. For God's sake, stop it. Think about your families, if nothing else. Think about your loved ones. Think about your neighborhood. If nothing, if you're so selfish, and of course you can't think about the country, then think about yourself. Don't think you're safe. Think about it and realize that eventually this virus will break all walls. And tonight, viewers, I'm also putting out a request that if you know any of these COVIDiots, tell them what they are doing, tell them what they have done, and tell them what they're doing is not funny. They are putting all of us at risk. And remember one thing. Remember one thing. Things have not normalized. If anyone's telling you it's over, it's gone, we're fine, the worst will never come again, they don't know what they're talking about. Things have not normalized. And things never will if these COVIDiots don't stop their idiocy. Ladies and gentlemen, they have to be stopped right here and right now. And that's what we're debating at 10 p.m. tonight.